Hey, Rocky here. And today, Mars, the red planet. The planet humans want to live on. But can we really do it? Let's find out together right now. And hey, if you love science, give us a thumbs up. Smash that like button right now. First, how far is Mars? It is 225 million kilometers at its closest approach to us. A trip there takes about 7 months. 7 months inside a spacecraft, waiting to arrive, with no way to turn back. So what is Mars actually like? It looks red because the soil is full of iron, rusty iron. Mars is literally a rusting planet, and it is cold. Very, very cold. The average temperature is minus 60 degrees. Brr. At the poles, it drops to minus 125. Mars is much colder than Antarctica. It's a frozen desert. But here is the real problem: the air. Mars has an atmosphere, but it is 95% carbon dioxide in the air. There is almost no oxygen. Cold and empty. And the pressure is so low that without a suit, your blood would actually boil. At minus 60 degrees Celsius right now. Yes, boil and freeze. At the exact same time. So how could we survive? Scientists have a plan. Step 1. Build sealed bases underground or under domes. Step 2. Make oxygen from the carbon dioxide. And this already works. It's real science happening on Mars. A machine on the Perseverance rover called MOXIE has already made breathable oxygen on Mars. Real oxygen on another planet. Science is truly incredible and everywhere. Step 3. Water. Is it really there? Let's explore the Martian caves. And here is the good news. Mars has water, frozen underground and locked in its polar ice caps. Enough water to cover the entire planet in an ocean, several meters deep of pure Martian water. It is all there, just frozen, waiting for us to arrive there one day. Now for the most mind-blowing part of the story. Mars was not always like this. Long ago. Billions of years ago. Mars had rivers, lakes, maybe even an ocean. We can still see the dried riverbeds from orbit. Mars was once a blue planet. And then, it lost its atmosphere, lost forever into the deep void of space, and became the frozen desert we see today. So, can humans live on Mars? One day maybe. Not yet. But maybe very soon. Science. And the first human to walk on Mars might already be alive right now. Science is truly incredible for everyone. Give me a high five right now, Simone. Science is everywhere around us. Bye for now.